Looking at the key fob inside of the BMW i4. Simple design. You've got nothing along the back, the M colors along the side, and then front face of the fob, there's the unlock button, lock button, trunk release, horn or panic alarm, and then there's also a little button there in order to gain access to the emergency access key, lock in the glove box and things like that. Remote start is done through the BMW app, so that is available, but your basics here, opening up the trunk, just push and hold. In order to open, there is a foot activated option here too. You can use your foot in order to be able to open or swipe in order to close. And then through the fob, there's also an auto lock feature. So hold on, watch this. Walk away with the fob on you. The doors are automatically going to lock. And then there's one key fob trick that you can do, and that's rolling the windows up and down. So go ahead and push the unlock button twice. You're just gonna go 1, 2, and hold. Windows go down. You can release it to pause it, push and hold again in order to continue the process. So it's all 4 windows, and look at this. It's also opening up the sunroof. Same idea, you release in order to pause. Push and hold the lock button, and it's gonna reverse the process. So up the windows go, it's gonna close that sunroof there too. Really neat. So that feature is going to be enabled all the time. But the other features, in order to use them, let's hop inside and I'll show you. While this is loading up, if you want full walkthroughs, like you want to know how to use the steering wheel buttons, go through the cluster or the infotainment, you'll find walkthroughs down in the description of this video. But what we're going to do, go into your little icon tray. You're looking for doors and windows. And you've got so many different options. So if you look at your lock, unlock, when do you want the doors to automatically lock or unlock, etc. There's comfort access. So do you want the doors to automatically unlock as you approach, or do you want them to lock as you walk away? So I recommend the lock when you walk away is useful. You might not want to worry about that one because you can easily unlock using the fob. But the other one is the tailgate. And that's the hands-free option. So the foot activated option to open and to close. So you're just swiping your foot along the back in order to be able to open or close. And then you can also set a custom height. So if you don't want to open it up past a certain point, you've got that flexibility of choosing how high or how low it's going to open up. Pretty neat. Well, that's how you use the key fob inside of the BMW i4.